Wow, guys, it's dry. I can't even feel any water in my hand. Hi, guys. I'm doing washing today, and I decided to share with you guys just a washing day share. This is not a tutorial, but you are going to learn a lot of things. Every tutorial, I have it in the description. Check the description. When to on the machine, my goods are in, my detergent, everything is in. So let's get started. Let's start washing our clothes. So first thing you have to do is make sure you check your water level. Okay, make sure there's enough water in your machine. Okay, so you have to check your water level. After the water level, you have to program your machine. Either you are going for standard wash, soft wash, quick wash, heavy duty, all of that are listed there. So you have to choose and program your machine of what washing you are going for today. Today, these goods are not that heavy, so I'm going for quick wash. And I set the timer for 20 minutes or 21 minutes. By 20 minutes, it should be done. Okay, yeah, so our clothes are in washing. I was having some white threads in the neck, or the collar was very dirty. I'll show you guys after I'm done washing so that you see. Today I'm going to do a lot of washing. I'm going to do 3 sections, including washing blankets, big towel, heavy towels, and everything. So the machine is here 20 minutes now. The machine is spinning. Look at how beautiful that is. If in case you have a place to do your washing, kindly just put your tube on the floor. The machine will just flow. But because of where I was doing the wash, I don't have it, so that's why I placed a bowl there, and then I drained the water to the bowl. But it got to a point whereby the water is not coming again, so you definitely have to put it on the floor for the water to go. Kindly let me know if in case you need some of this machine. We have a lot in stock now. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe. So after it was done, it was nice. It was looking dry, but it was not that dry for me, so I had to set another time for it. Make sure the water or the clothes dry. Okay, yes, so let's keep waiting and see the outcome. Okay guys, I can't wait. So guys, let's open the machine and see. Guys, just look at this outfit. Like guys, you can't even feel any water in my hand. Just look at it. Just feel it. It's dry. Like they are all dry. You can't even feel any water. The heavy ones that I was even thinking it won't dry, they are all dry. So if in case after you are done with your washing and yours is not dry and you still feel some water in, just set a timer for the machine again and put it on air top dry. It will dry them for you. Okay, yeah, so it's time for me to take out my clothes and put another water in and do my second washing. The same process, literally the same process. The clothes are dry. Look at all these things. Look at this best thread. Look at this. Just say, oh, everything is so cool. I really love this. This is the white dress I was talking about, guys. Look at the color. And I don't like about this machine, it washes so nice. Like, just look at the color. It was very dirty because of its color, and I went for vacation and I wore it, so it was very dirty. But now look at the color. Look at it. It's just clean, just neat. So time for me to do another washing today. I told you we are going to do a lot of washing today. The same machine, the same day, the same time after I'm done with the first wash. Yeah, that one too. I placed this big towel in there. This towel is very big, very big. I couldn't even use my hand to wash it, so I have to use the machine. I was having a lot of things to wash. Yeah guys, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's see the outcome. So if you have any question relating to this machine, kindly drop it under the comment section. I will be glad to answer all your questions. Kindly subscribe, like this video, share. Okay, yeah, thank you. As for this good, I set the timer for 45 minutes standard wash. So after 45 minutes, then you check they are all dry. Guys, if you look at this heavy towel that I was thinking it will be heavy so it won't dry, guys, it's dry. Look at this bedspread. It just like, I just love how my machine is working perfectly for me. If in case you have any challenge, kindly drop under the comment section. If I have any help, I can help you. And then if you also need some of this machine, kindly contact me. I'll get one for you. There's some in now. Kindly subscribe, share. Thank you all.